What's up everyone, welcome to SLEEPERtv, where I will be taking an attempt to replacing these joysticks on my Xbox One controller. I got a kit off of Amazon. I'm going to see how well it works. Hopefully this controller doesn't turn into a lead paperweight. Or a plastic paperweight. You know what I mean. Starting off, kit from Amazon. Got this Thompson professional repair kit for better gaming. So I got it for about $10, I think, with tax. I'm just gonna open it up, see what's inside. I'm not gonna use any of my tools. I'm just gonna try to use what they provide, just to give it a good review. I don't know what this is. Is there a bit more help support? Okay, I need that. Alright, this is what we need. Alright, so I chose the red joysticks because I figured red and black is going to look really dope. Looks like they have a Torx screwdriver, a Phillips head, a pry tool, which looks like it was used. Okay, but yeah, it looks like it was used. Another little pry tool, looks like a guitar pick. No instructions whatsoever, but yeah, we're gonna see what we can come up with. So I'm gonna push this to the side. We're gonna get the controller out and see where we go from here. Alright, so we got the controller. I'm guessing we start off the back. Okay, so just by pushing, I don't know if the camera's picking this up, but I can almost guarantee a screw right there. I need maybe like a paper clip. We can lift this up. Yeah, paper clip. See that? Paper clip, you can lift it up easily. Alright, finally got the sticker off. I don't want to pull it all the way up just so it stays aligned. So I feel like if I do take it off all the way, then it's going to get misaligned. So that looks like a Torx head. I'm going to use the screwdriver that the kit came with. The camera's focusing in on that. But it is the Torx. It's kind of like a hexagonish star pattern. So we're going to take this off. Alright, screw is off. Put that to the side. And now, I believe I should be able to just pry this open. There's like a gap now after taking that screwdriver out. So, I guess like right above the B. I'll try to bring this up. Alright. Bring that up. Might want to put the ow, I just pinched my finger. Alright. Maybe here? Oh, mess up the button now. Like, just want it. Oh, okay. Alright, so I got two sides up. My finger is like dying. I'm just gonna pull. Oh, that was easy. There we go. Excuse the dead skin. I'm probably gonna clean this up before I put it back together. Alright, so that is off. Looks like there might be a screw. Sorry, I gotta use my light. Okay, so no. Okay, there's a screw right there. I missed that. So the screw right there has another Torx. Going to open this side first. Kind of like how I did the other side, right on the button. Pop this under. Watch that here. Okay, so I wedged my finger. That kind of hurts. And then this popped up, and now I'm just gonna pull that off. That was a lot easier than I thought it was. Dead skin again. Please excuse that. I'm gonna clean that up. Alright, handguards are clean. Oh, missed that part. Handguards are clean. Ladies and gentlemen, do not ignore this moment to clean up your controller and get all that dead skin out of there. It's not a necessity, it's just a nice thing to do because then you don't have like dead skin. But Torx driver again, we're gonna take these screws out on the sides. So we took right and left out. Oh, right here. Boom, boom. There's two more, and those are Torx as well. After taking off 1, 2, 3, and 4 screws plus your middle screw, this back plate will just lift off. Oh shit, actually flip it over. Your front plate will actually just lift off easily. Is there dead skin? Deep head, yeah, a little bit, but on the back, no, not really. Not really at all. I mean, just like some little tidbits, but not really anything. So once you have that off, this is what a Xbox One controller looks like on inside. Pretty good, right? So once you have once you have the faceplate off, you can go ahead and lift these joysticks off. Put on your new ones. I think, yeah, so these, it's kind of like a cylinder shape. You just have to match it up, and then they should fall into place. Nice. Nice. Alright. So new joysticks in place. Take the old ones out. These are the old ones. You can see that they are very, very worn. Very worn down. I've never replaced this controller. So many years since Xbox One has came out, and I've been using this controller on the console, and also I've been using it on PC, and it's just gotten to the point where it's just starting to wear down really bad. So I didn't want to get a new controller because this is a day one edition. I believe this was like the most unique thing about the day one edition Xbox One, sorry. And so I ended up selling the console, but then keeping the controller because the controller actually said day one. So now I'm going to put everything back together. I'll go ahead and speed up the camera so you don't have to hear me talk or wait for everything to be back together, and you'll just see everything at once. I will also add, I believe this is magnetic to an extent. I keep seeing the screw kind of like stick onto the tool. So maybe magnetic tool, I don't know, can't really say, but pretty nice. And I'm almost about to wrap it up. Put this sticker back. So now, since I didn't take it all the way off, you just kind of rub it, you know, just rub it, rub the sticker back on. And looks like it was never taken off. Looks like it was never taken off. Alright, and then I'm going to put the battery door back on. If you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button to my channel. I'm going to put these back grips or whatever handguards back on, and then I'll show you how the controller looks. And this is it. Day 1 edition controller, brand new joysticks. They feel great. They feel really good, actually. I have grips again. You could give it a nice firm push when you get done with it. But yeah, they feel great. I saw in the reviews that some people were saying like the grips didn't feel like rubber and they felt like kind of weird. These, to me, I'm gonna put a link in the description, but these feel literally like OEM. Like the OEM, like these babies when they were new, they feel just like that. They feel great. So yeah, pretty stoked. Didn't have to buy a new controller. All you had to do is just buy $9, $10 set, and you can choose whatever color you want, and you basically have a brand new controller. As long as your joysticks are still kind of like springy, like you can tell mine are like pretty much brand new still. If it's just your grip that's going bad, then I would highly suggest getting the kit and then doing it yourself. This was super easy. I didn't even have to use any of my own tools, and I got it brand new. So if you haven't already, like the video, subscribe to the channel, let me know in the comments below what you thought about this video, and I'll see you guys next time.